In this ride, visitors will experience the digestive system as fat, carb, and protein molecules. Each rider's experience may be different, so we will start with an overview of the ride. It starts off in the mouth with all the molecules, or carts, of a pizza attached together. It is then broken down by mechanical digestion, which includes chewing and breaking apart of the molecules, or carts, of a pizza. After this, there is a drop in the ride, which is all the individual carts, or molecules, going down the esophagus into the stomach. The drop ends as soon as the carts reach the stomach, and most carts are slowly broken down even further as they move to the end of the stomach. From the stomach, they go to the small intestine, which is the last place all 9 carts will be together. The small intestine involves a lot of twists and turns depending on which molecule the rider is on. Now we will go over each individual rider's experience, starting off with carbs. These are starches and sugars, but not dietary fibers. Amylase is the enzyme that breaks down carbs in both the mouth as well as the small intestine. 3 other enzymes that break down sugars are called sucrose, maltase, and lactase, which are also found in the mouth and small intestine. Once they are moved through the small intestine, they are able to be absorbed along the upper and lower parts of the small intestine. This is caused by finger-like projections called villi that absorb the carbs and take them into the bloodstream, where they are carried to the muscles and the liver for energy. After this, the riders may exit the ride. Next is proteins. They are broken down in the stomach by pepsin, which is the active protein digestive enzyme. It breaks down peptide bonds that hold the carts together. Next, digestion is completed in the small intestine by the pancreatic enzymes trypsin and chymotrypsin. They are then absorbed into the bloodstream and used as building blocks for cells, muscle, and tissue. After this, the riders may exit the ride. Lastly, there's fats. Chemical digestion occurs in the mouth because of lingual lipase, an enzyme in the saliva which makes the carts easier to swallow. When the fat carts reach the stomach, the muscles in the stomach churn and move them to further break them down. The pancreas, located under the stomach, secretes bicarbonate ions, which neutralize the pH of the fats entering the small intestine. Lipases, an enzyme in the small intestine, breaks down the fats. They get absorbed into the small intestine and enter the bloodstream. Through the bloodstream, they travel to the liver, where they are metabolized and used for energy. After this, the riders may exit the ride.